All right, let's be honest. TikTok and Instagram have convinced us that our bathrooms need to look like a luxury spa with gadgets we never knew existed. But are these so-called must-haves actually life-changing or just overhyped? Let's break it down. This little gadget keeps your bathroom smelling fresh without you having to do anything. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy a constant burst of fragrance. A luxury? Maybe. Ever wanted to watch Netflix in the shower? This waterproof phone holder makes it possible. Touchscreen friendly, steam resistant, and perfect for catching up on your favorite shows while you relax. If you love that hotel shower experience, a high-pressure rain shower head is the way to go. It turns weak water flow into a luxurious downpour, making showers 10 times better. Overhyped? Not at all. This one's a true game changer. These storage bins fold flat when not in use and pop open when you need extra space. Perfect for storing towels, toiletries, or even kids' bath toys. If you love organization, they're a solid win. If you already have enough storage, maybe not a must-have, but definitely handy. If your bathroom counter looks like a disaster zone, this 3-tier organizer might just save your sanity. It gives you vertical storage without taking up too much space, keeping everything within reach. These little guys bring personality to your bathroom, but they also keep your toothbrush covered and off the sink. If you love organization and cute aesthetics, they're a win. This little duck doesn't just float. It tells you if your bath water is too hot or too cold. Originally designed for babies, but honestly, it's great for anyone who wants the perfect soak. Bathing a wiggly baby can be stressful, but this soft, sink-friendly seat makes it so much easier. It keeps them comfy and supported, while you keep both hands free. Ever tried to relax in the tub, only to end up with a stiff neck? This plush, waterproof spa pillow turns your bathtub into a luxury experience. It's soft, supportive, and makes soaking way more comfortable. Imagine soaking in a hot bath with a book, a candle, and maybe even a glass of wine. This tray table turns your bathtub into a full-on relaxation station. Necessary? Nope. But for that spa experience at home? Totally worth it. If lifting the toilet lid feels like the biggest struggle of your day, this tiny cat paw might just be your new best friend. It's cute, keeps things hygienic, and let's be honest, who doesn't want a little paw helping them out? If your shower is a balancing act of bottles on the ledge, a corner caddy changes the game. It saves space, keeps things organized, and makes sure your shampoo isn't constantly falling. This isn't just a regular squeegee. It tackles wet floors, hair, and even pet fur with ease. The angled design makes drying surfaces effortless, whether it's your bathroom, kitchen, or even car windows. If you hate water puddles, this might just be a game changer. These shelves do more than just look good. If your bathroom lacks storage, they give you extra space while keeping things sleek. Overhyped? Not really. They're both functional and aesthetic. Yes, it's shaped like a pigeon. And yes, it actually works. A simple press on the head dispenses just the right amount of soap. This isn't your standard round brush. The V shape is designed to get into those tricky corners that regular brushes tend to miss. Loofahs collect bacteria fast, and this silicone scrubber is a cleaner, longer-lasting alternative. It's gentle on the skin and easy to clean. Some people love them. Some think they're weird. But a toilet rug keeps your feet warm and adds a soft touch to your bathroom. It also absorbs moisture. So, are these bathroom must-haves overhyped? Some, maybe, but most of them? Actually super useful. Let me know in the comments which one you'd add to your bathroom, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun product reviews.